exposing the innovation in urban mobility. Just when you thought your commute couldn't get any faster, the UAE turns the page to a new chapter in transport technology. Imagine zipping between Abu Dhabi and Dubai in just 30 minutes, bypassing all the ground traffic. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, brace yourselves because it's about to become your new reality. By 2026, eVTOLs, that's electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, are expected to be a common sight in our skies. These aren't your typical taxis. They're quieter, quicker and eco-friendlier, designed to make city-to-city commuting a breeze. In a groundbreaking move earlier this year, Joby Aviation teamed up with Dubai's Road and Transport Authority to bring these sky taxis here. But what about the buzz on privacy and noise? Don't sweat it. Flying at lofty altitudes, these taxis promise minimal noise and maximum privacy, not to mention the spectacular views, and with the government's full support, ensuring a smooth liftoff and exclusive operational rights for 6 years, it's clear the skies are just the beginning. So ready to take off on this thrilling ride? Flying taxis are not just coming, they're here to transform UAE travel. Get ready to soar.